that's where the entrance to Ruth Chris Steakhouse is. It's right over there. I'm going through the door that doesn't have the sign in front of it. It's actually surrounded by like a laser tag gun range and or like general arcade. And on the other side, there's also an IHOP and like a frozen yogurt place. The only real competition right like on this block of buildings is Eastside Mario's, but that isn't quite as fancy and probably wouldn't appeal to as many people as Ruth's Chris Steakhouse. And actually right across the street is the Niagara Falls View Resort, which makes this place really easily accessible, especially for a large amount of people, especially the ones that want to make this like a really good day. It's in the middle of downtown Niagara Falls. The falls are down the street that way. And actually it's also around a few other hotels that are just as big and catered to just as many different people. This is the entrance for Ruth Chris Steakhouse. That's where they greet people at the front door and get them seated. That's one of the bars, and over there is some seating. And in the back, there's more seating.
Hello guys, now we are in a Ruth Chris restaurant. It's a fine dining restaurant in the Niagara Falls. We choose this restaurant because it's a marvelous restaurant. So now we will explain the section of this restaurant one by one. So just like we have 3 bars here, some section of some tables, and a fine kitchen over here. So we will explain it step by step.
So the bathrooms are over towards the middle of the restaurant. There's still some more over towards the back. There's more seating over towards the front, but the bathrooms are right in the middle. And so just come through here. You've got a really nice bathroom. You've even got like really nice stalls, and the sinks are really modern. The lighting is really nice too. The urinals are well kept and clean. Same thing with the toilets. This is a really nice bathroom. Alrighty, so what we have here is like definitely a formal place setting. We've got 2 forks and 2 knives. The 2 forks are for the 2 different servings, and the knife here is our butter knife. This one here is the steak knife. The placemat is also done really nicely. We've got our side dishes, our water glasses, and the wine glasses.
So that guys, now we haven't reached to our catering section. This section is also much bigger than others.
There are 150 seats in this area. This is the central place of the restaurant. During peak times, there are 70 people working here.
Yeah, so this is the back of the restaurant. There's quite a few booths back here, and the ambiance is really nice, as you can tell from all the chandeliers and such. We can seat over like 100 tables back here and serve over 1,000 guests back here. It's really quite extensive.
So this is the third bigger part of this restaurant. It's a bar. As I explained earlier, we have a 3 bar, and this is the third bar. And it's been specially organized for the VIPs and for the celebrities who came from international celebrities, and it's a bigger section. It always booked for the parties, and these reservations are very expensive.
Okay, so this is pantry. So we do our salads and desserts for Ruth's Chris, right? So right over here, we keep our dressings, all our toppings, everything like that organized. So everything's organized per salad. So we have Caesar salad, all its toppings. And every other salad is organized, you know, side by side. Down below, seafood. We keep all our seafood at the bottom because it's raw, right? Don't want cross-contamination, anything like that. Keep it at certain temperatures so it doesn't go bad. And this is also our dessert station, right? So we got ice cream, whatever. All our desserts are in here. Everything's made to order. Everything's prepped early in the day, created earlier this morning, and then we keep it refrigerated until we need it per order.
So guys, now I'm with my friend. Actually, he's not my friend. He's a senior than me, and he's a chef here. His name is Roger. So Roger, tell me, give me some information.
So we use the best 3% of steaks in the Midwest of America. Our steaks are USDA prime. This right here is our biggest steak. It's called tomahawk. It's got two cuts to it. It's got the decal on the outside and the eye of the chateau in the middle, and it's on a bone.
So which kind of temperature we need to cook this?
Well, fat doesn't render until it hits 130 degrees.
Like 130 degrees?
Yes, 130 degrees would be medium rare plus medium. So you want to get the steak at least to 130 so the fat can render and it's not chewy anymore.
Have you any idea about its price?
This is just over $200. So yep.
This is too much.
No, it's perfect for sharing. Family of four can share it. We do a plate side service, so we cut it off the bone for you, and then we can also cut it at the table for the guests.
So thank you, Roger. Thanks for your time, brother.
Anytime, buddy.
So we just ordered from the dessert menu right over here 2 key lime pies and 2 creme brulees. So both are $17. Most of the menu items here are not too expensive, but are still definitely more expensive than you would find in a less prestigious restaurant. Alrighty, well, this is the key lime pie. I'm gonna take my bite of it. That's actually pretty delicious.
This section is a crumbling. It's been covered with the cream, which has been made with the milk and eggs, and it has been filled up with the raspberries and some strawberries, and it's marvelous. It's been delicious.
Delicious.
Oh man. All in all, I do believe that this would be a great restaurant to invest in, considering the fact that it makes a lot of money every single night. And you know what? Like a lot of the food that's prepared in there is actually really expensive, and it costs quite a bit of money, but it tastes absolutely delicious. Some of the steaks in there are like $80, $90, and could definitely be franchised, especially with the right locations and the right amount of money.